observe animal behavior.
That's right. Welcome to our field trip video for BIO661. We're diving into the behavior of two interesting animals, the graceful flamingo and the adorable capybara. But there's a twist. We're not just watching them here at Zoo Negara, we're comparing them to how they behave in the wild. Let's go!
Here at the National Zoo, we observe several key behaviors in captive flamingos. Most of them spend time standing still, preening their feathers, or resting on one leg. Their movement was minimal, and feeding was passive, as food was provided in feeding tray. In contrast, wild flamingo, as seen here, perform highly synchronized group dances. These include head flagging and wing flapping, behaviors that are part of their mating rituals. You can see large groups moving together in perfect coordination. These social behaviors help them bond and avoid predators in their natural habitat. Unlike zoo environment, wild flamingos feed by filter feeding in shallow lakes. You'll notice how they dip their heads upside down in the water, using their uniquely adapted beaks to sift out algae and small organisms. Overall, while captive flamingos display basic social behaviors, their natural feeding and courtship display are limited. Wild flamingos, with more space and freedom, show a fuller range of behaviors essential for survival and reproduction.
Let's observe together.
The capybara, the world's largest rodent, is known for its highly social and peaceful nature. In captivity, two behaviors were most consistently observed, which are social grouping and vocal communication. Capybaras were often seen resting together in shaded areas and moving or sitting in synchrony. This shows strong social coordination, even in an artificial environment. They also produce soft grunting sounds while moving, a form of low-frequency communication used to maintain group awareness. These behaviors were consistent, calm, and free of aggression. No signs of competition were recorded, even during feeding. Physical closeness appears to play an important role in reinforcing group bonds. Compared to their wild counterparts, such as those in the Pantanal region of Brazil, the same behaviors are present, but adapted for survival. In the wild, group coordination becomes more alert, especially near water sources where predators are common. Vocalization remains subtle, but group movement is more strategic. Despite the differences in setting, capybaras display stable social behavior and peaceful communication in both environments, highlighting the species' natural tendency toward cooperation and low-conflict group living.
That's a wrap from us. Whether it's a pink flamingo or a social capybara, behavior tells a story, and environment writes the script. Thanks for watching, and don't forget: always observe with empathy, not just curiosity.